What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and we are back with the LDRC once again. This time we have 3S swapping it. So I got these two batteries and the charger off of Amazon. The links are going to be down in the description below. It is an affiliate link, so if you go ahead and purchase that, some of the proceeds go back to me, and down the road that money will be back into these cars and razors. So as you can see here with the battery, it's just about the same size as the stock LDRC battery, but it is 3S, so a little bit more weight, a little bit longer, but it's just about the same size. So as you can see here, it fits pretty snug back into the case of the car, and even the charge port fits in there with no issues. So go ahead, squeeze it in. It's a JST plug, and what some people don't know is that LDRC uses a JST with an adapter, so you can unplug that. Then you're going to go ahead, smack the cap back on, screw it on, and power the car on. As you can see here, everything's nice and bright, everything's working. So we're going to go ahead, turn on the transmitter here and give the wheel a little toggle. That's going to sync everything up. Everything's looking good, and here you have it. What's good about this is that I had a big cogging issue with the 2S stock batteries, on 3S seems to run really fine. So in the next video, we're going to take this bad boy back to 7-tail circuit, try it out, and see how it does. If you have any questions, leave it down below, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.